To turn a regular image into a vector graphic is super simple. First, we can select it, we choose Image Trace, and then we can pick a preset. We have this one here that kind of makes sense. Let's open up the options, and then we can adjust the settings. So the threshold here will adjust the amount of detail in the trace. The paths will include more anchor points and a lot more detail. And if you bring the noise slider all the way down, you're going to get lots of smaller details as well. So these particular settings are very good for getting as close to the original image as possible, but now in vector form. And you can uncheck this box as well and see if this gets you a better result. And we can check ignore color to make sure we don't get a white box, and then click expand. And there we go. This is now a vector graphic. We can go and change the color, and it's scalable to any size without a loss in quality. So let's go ahead and pick a red. Okay, it switched back to gray. If you do get this happen, just go and pick another swatch. It doesn't matter what color. Sometimes Image Trace gets it stuck in grayscale mode, and just picking a random color from the swatches panel gives it a little nudge and gets it working again. And if you enjoyed this and you'd like to master Illustrator properly, I have my full course linked below.